You are looking at an Opinel No9, a classic French folding knife. This one has a 3.5 inch blade from high carbon steel and a sharpness that is simply unmatched in its class. Lightweight at 1.6 ounces, affordable and beautiful. These are knives that demand some love, care and attention. But if you give them that, the result is a very rugged and effective knife that will truly grow on you and last for decades. The wooden handle with a fishtail at the end is curved to give you a sure grip and can be made from beech, oak, walnut, olive, rosewood and a plethora of other materials. The stainless steel locking ring at the top twists to secure the blade in both open and closed position. The blade itself has the form of a so-called yataghan, single-edged with a forward curve and sharp point. The nail neck in the side of the steel makes it easy to open. Its edge is okay out of the box, but amazing when you put a little work into it. The wood benefits greatly from a thin layer of wax or oil once in a while, to make it more moisture proof. When you don't, the handle swells and the knife becomes difficult to open. In that case, a firm tap on its fishtail ensures the blade is still accessible. This one from high carbon rusts when kept wet, so I try to keep it dry when possible, but I definitely don't mother it. It's been with me while kayaking on salt water, camping in the Norwegian rain. It's been submerged in French rivers and clashed with Polish rocks. Opinel also makes stainless steel versions that are lower in maintenance, but also a tad less sharp, more difficult to sharpen, and it just has less character. The Opinel is timeless and a great piece of equipment if you are willing to put some effort in.